I'm Renèe Hughes, the aroma specialist, and I wanted to come on today and tell you about our online school. So we're really excited about it. I wanted to tell you the details. This is the certification course for anyone who is really interested in becoming a specialist when it comes to essential oils. So maybe you're interested in opening your own online practice, holistic practice, or maybe you're a networker who wants to get really proficient at supporting people when it comes to essential oils. It's possible that you may have learned quite a bit about essential oils. You're excited about them, you're using them with your family and friends, but you may have some nagging doubts and fears around supporting people with some essential oils. And if you do, those are valid concerns. Essential oils are really powerful. They are plant-based medicines, and you want to have some understanding about chemistry, and about the synergy of the oils, what should be used when, safety precautions. And in the course, we teach you the safest, most effective ways to use the oils. So you're going to have a really good idea of what to use on children and what you shouldn't use, more than hearsay. The company has told you. You're going to learn exactly what should and should not be used. The other thing that's really great about our course, and it's different from anything else out there, is that you get one-on-one support. So this is a self-paced certification course that will teach you everything that you need to know to take aromatherapy into a business of your own, but you're going to get one-on-one coaching, and that is unheard of with this kind of course. Most courses like this, you pay for the course, it's self-paced, you may have videos and things like that, but you're not going to have one-on-one access, face-to-face access to the instructor. With our course, you do. You get 12 sessions your first year of signing up. The course is self-paced, so you can take as long as you need to finish the course. The one-on-one sessions you get in the first year. You're going to get help with your own personal health and your family. You're going to, again, learn everything that you need to know about aromatherapy to have your own business and to care for your family and friends and to get really confident in what you're saying and doing when it comes to essential oils. You're also going to learn a lot about business. I've been in business for myself for 10 years, and my husband and I actually teach a business course that cost over $2,000. And in this course, you're going to be able to dip into that a little bit. You're going to learn about business, and what you're going to learn here is going to boost what you're already doing or what you foresee yourself doing with essential oils. So it's an all-inclusive course. We're really excited about it. I know that you will be too. Please drop us a note if you have any questions, and welcome aboard. We look forward to being in class with you. Bye. For more questions, you can reach us at reneehughes.com.